My name is Antoinette Lombard, and I'm a professor in social work and also the head of the Department of Social Work and Criminology at the University of Pretoria. My qualifications are all in social work. I started with a Bachelor in Social Sciences in Social Work at the Free State University, and then I did my master's qualification at the then Rao University, which is now the University of Johannesburg, and my doctoral degree in social work I've done at the University of Pretoria. My career started in terms of community work and development. I worked 1 month in counselling and therapy, and then I decided that's not for me. I want macro work, I want to work in communities, I want to see social change happen out there. So that's actually what I have done. I've been working as community organisers in NGOs, starting my career. Then I went to the government, the National Department of Health and Population Development at that time, and I have done training in communities, far rural communities, in community development, and eventually I ended up in 1988 as a practice lecturer here at the University of Pretoria, and then for the next 14 years I moved through all the rankings up till 2002 to full professor. So my research interest really took off linked with our democracy. When we started in 1994, adopting also 1995 the Social Development Goals as a developmental agenda for South Africa, we also in the social welfare sector had to look at transformation. And we adopted then the government adopted the Social Welfare White Paper in 1997. And that asked of social workers and people in the social welfare sector to make a shift to what we call a developmental approach. My career took off then in integrating social and economic development, not only to reach the vulnerable people, specifically children and families and women, but also the service deliverers, social workers and NGOs, organizations, to make that shift, to find anti-poverty strategies that will bring human dignity to people, that will give them opportunities for sustainable livelihoods, and bring that social inclusion and economic inclusion to people. I started to be recognized nationally and internationally for conceptualizing developmental approach and social development in the sector, which in 2013 led to receiving International Social Development Leadership Award in social development for the work that I've been doing. And also in that context, renowned authors such as James Mitchley in 2010 dedicated a book to myself and another colleague in South Africa for what they called pioneering work that we were doing in social work and social development, linking the two.